Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Netlify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Netlify, log into your account, and then choose a project that you'd like to add that custom domain. So for this one, I'm just going to use this project here. Now I'm inside my project. Now on the left hand side, we've got a project overview. We want to go ahead and click onto device domain management. And then on the right hand side, we've got production domains. So we want to go ahead and connect the domain from here. So add a domain. Now we've got two different ways we can do this. We can go ahead and buy a new domain or add a domain you already own. So you can click on either one. Now for this demonstration, I want to add in a domain you already own. So I'm going to put in my custom domain or subdomain. So I've got domain from GoDaddy. So it's an old website I used to run. So golfersden.com. So I'm inside of that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste that in here and then click verify. So it says here is already registered and is ready to be added to your site. If you registered this domain name for a different registrar, select add domain to add it to your project now. So click on add domain. Now, once you've done that, it's going to say here, your project is always accessible at a netlify.app subdomain based custom domain allows visitors to access your projects. So from here, it's going to say pending DNS verification. So basically, if I go in and click onto here, it's going to tell you exactly what needs to be happening, because this might change depending what error code's coming up or what you need to do. So just basically click onto it here, and then it will say we're checking that the domain points to our servers correctly and has reached DNS servers worldwide. Once verified, your project will be live at your domain. We haven't been able to verify your DNS yet for at least one of these reasons. You haven't set up DNS records yet, so they are configured incorrectly and we cannot verify them. Your DNS records are set up correctly and just need more time to reach DNS servers worldwide. So if that's the case, this process can take 24 hours. So now it's going to show you what to do here. So it's going to show you the recommended steps to fix this. So what we can do is create an alias A name or flattened C name record for golfers then pointing to our load balance at apex loadbalancer.netlify, and also create a record for golfers to our load balancer IP address at that. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and click on close and wait up. Then it might take 24 hours for this to clear, and then your site will be live.